Music! Alright, so it is all stripped. As you can see, I used a screwdriver, and I stripped everything apart. I just need these two and this head part, and let's see how everything goes. So I'm gonna let them dry. I just completed to paint them. I'm gonna let them dry, and I'll see you guys after they dried.
2 hours later.
Alright guys, so this is how these things look. Oh, the paint right here. So the paint under here is still a little bit wet. No, yeah, it is not that much wet, but it is wet. I'm gonna draw some sketches. What do you say? I'm gonna draw something on it. Now that there is nothing left to show you in this video, it is time to show you the final result of my hard work.